Morning all, it's 31st of July 2023 and we're at Hogan Hayden airfield in Germany and we're weathered in. The wind is blowing 20-25 mile an hour in the wrong direction, so we'll be heading straight into it. There's a lot of rain about. It has cleared at the minute, but we've pretty much wrote today off looking at the forecasts and what we're heading into. So we've been down the shop and we've bought a few supplies and we've got geared up, and then we've just been for a wander around the airfield and then looking at things what we're going to do. And I thought to myself, let's make some pine needle tea. So all the countries we've flown over, sort of Sweden and Norway and Finland, absolutely plastered in pine trees. You get into Germany and you struggle to find any pine trees so you can make some nice tea. But I found one. So let's go and harvest some pine needles and we'll make some pine needle tea. So here we go. What we've got here. These will do. Look good to me. Just take a few and we'll get back and we'll get the stove out and we'll see what the pine needle tea thing's all about. Right, here we are. This is where we're staying. This is our hotel for last night. Basic, but better than a tent. Here's Dave. He's going to have a coffee. Yeah. Got all the gear out. And I'm going to make some pine needle tea.
So it's mad. Only a little bit.
See how we get on with it. Just sterilise the table. That's it. Sterilised. Let's get the stove out and get some water boiling. And I can prepare my pine needles. Sometimes takes a bit of light in this. Yeah.
Spark's got one with
Look at it.
Get some sparks.
Yeah, we're away. Cheers, Dave. Mine don't blow out though.
Yeah?
My lighter don't blow out.
No, that's true.
Right. Just sterilise the table a bit more. Not sure how many you have to put in, but we've got plenty.
Trial and error. Smells like pine needle.
Can you smell it? Yeah, it does, doesn't it? I could smell it now. Yeah, that'll be enough. Shall we go for a few more?
Ah, go for a few more.
Yeah.
In for a penny, all that. Go for it. Like tea strong, don't you?
Well, I don't know. Yeah, I don't mind, but I've never had pine needle tea.
No.
Right, I think that'll be plenty. So I think what you're supposed to do is get the water to the boil and then get it off the boil, put them in, give it a good 5 minutes, and then we'll see.
Didn't drop a lot of fuss.
Oh, it's alright if you've got a jar of coffee in it.
Thanks, Mick.
Boiling already. Right then, pine needles are going in. Right, 5 minutes then. We'll let it do its thing. Could have done with a strainer. Could have done with a strainer for pouring it in.
I wonder if there is one. I'll have a look. You'll melt it.
Yeah. I suppose I could have used one of my old socks, but they've been on for about 14 days, so that would have added to the flavour a bit. I think I'm going to have a few more of these needles in here.
No, I'm not saying one.
No?
Hiding somewhere. Yeah, I think you're cool down. You could use that way.
Hey?
So if it cools down, you could use that way. No, I can't see one. No strainer.
No.
No. Not at all.
Keep this warm.
Yeah.
Cools down quite quick in this pan. I've added a few more pine needles then.
Have you?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Going for a real strong one.
Cheers. If I keel over, call an ambulance. I did take out some insurance before I come away.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Was it?
Yeah.
Did it taste of anything?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, success then.
Bit pine needly, to be honest.
I'd never have thought that.
No, it's got a taste that I recognise. It's a bit lemony. It's a bit lemon.
Okay. What bush did you get those off?
Pine tree.
Oh, okay. Just checking.
Want some?
I'll try it, didn't I?
It's not unpleasant. No. There's a definite taste to it, isn't there?
There is a tang to it, yeah.
I'd call that a success. Pine needles harvested from a tree at the bottom of the airfield,
Yeah.
brewed up into a nice cup of pine needle tea. Success. Cheers.
Nice one.